Good afternoon, everybody. Good afternoon. Welcome to Paul's Monday Market Update, number 233 for the Monday, 3rd of August, 2026. I hope you're all well. Hope you have enjoyed this interesting start to the week and the month. Normally we would be sort of getting ready to calm down, okay, for the rest of this month, based upon everybody going on holiday. But we live in interesting times, as the Chinese old proverb says, and there's plenty going on and plenty for us to talk about. Those of you joining us on the live stream or in the room, I hope that you can see the slides and hear my voice, okay. And if you can confirm that, fantastic. For those of you joining us for the first time, the Monday Market Update is just that, okay? It is me flying through as much as I can share with you over about the next 25, 30 minutes, looking at strength and weakness within FX indices and commodities markets, looking at a few charts of interest that you might want to add to your watch list, and then having a look at the live market. It is not a signal service. It's not trade recommendations. It is just me sharing with you what I'm looking at the moment, which may be of relevance or of interest to yourselves. As always, you are always very welcome here, but just remember that you are always responsible for your own trading and investing decisions. And finally, for this week, before we switch to the live market, we've got Uber Technology. I don't need to explain who Uber are, do I, or what they do? Okay, we look at them on occasion, but they've got their numbers out Wednesday before the open. Once again, weekly chart. It had been mostly, as you can see, kind of a boom. It'd been mostly kind of a good bullish chart, not without its challenges and its channels. I'm trying to say that to pace. But I think the last time we looked at this, what we were interested in, okay, or what I was talking about was the fact that, bang, once again, we'd got up to the big round number of 100, and then we topped out. We'd printed this really nice bearish key reversal, engulfing candle, followed by another bearish engulfing key reversal beneath the 20, breaking that trend line, okay? And we talked about how we were likely to drift lower, and actually that has continued. All right, that's continued pretty much all the way through this year. And now I'm curious that we're down here towards this kind of channel low at around about 63, 64, 65, which is also where that weekly 200 is. I'll be interested to see, do those numbers push us down into that spot before we bounce higher? Okay, could that be just part of it, just push down, okay, sort of flush them out and head our way back up towards 80, right? Or, if those numbers are poor and sentiment is poor and the Iranians start lobbing rockets again, okay, do we break our way through, what has been a significant level of support through the weekly 200, and through that kind of big round number of 60. So, as I said, it's a chart of interest for me because A, we've got earnings, but also the price action itself is at an interesting point, and I want to see, is this an inflection point at which we can, take advantage of. All right, so there you go. Some charts of interest to add to your watch list. Okay, we can always learn from seeing other charts. Okay, and other analysis. But if you'll bear with me, what we'll do is we'll switch across to the live markets now and have a look. I appreciate we're probably going to overrun today, but there's lots for me to share with you. Okay, and also this is the last one before we take a break. We'll be back 7th of September for the Monday market update.